So we have the Tesla here and we're going to be doing a spring detail on it because it is so filthy. I haven't cleaned it in 3-4 months. It's not looking good. It's looking very tired. Lots of ingrained dirt, especially in the sills, under the doors. So we're going to hit this hard, detail it, get some nice signature paste wax on there, get into summer, and yeah, got a lot to do, so let's get on with it. So first things first with any detail is the wheels. I'm just going to use my wheel and tyre cleaner and some accessories to really get into the barrels and give this a thorough clean. On my Tesla I've got 18-inch wheels, and as you can see this rear caliper is so close to the barrel of the alloy, there's not much wiggle room in there. So if you feel resistance, don't try and push it in any harder. You're going to end up ripping that microfiber off the handle. Stay away from that caliper area, go through the barrels, and don't try and force it into places it should not go. Now, is there any point in making a detailing video if we're not going to get some nice 50/50s? paintwork is really grubby. That's why I'm hitting it up with citrus pre-wash and snow foam so I can have the most effective pre-wash possible. So after this stage, I love to use Ceramic Boost. It basically puts a super hydrophobic coating onto the paintwork instantly, meaning the majority of the water just falls right off, and then it makes drying your car so much easier. Beauty of this product, it can be used on paintwork, windows, and even wheels. It will make cleaning your wheels so much easier in the future. for the LSP, I went for my signature paste wax. Huge carnauba content, super glossy, super wet look, and a super slick finish, which is great on white paintwork.
Okay, I'm back. Different t-shirt, a different beard. That's because we've had to split this video up into two. Unfortunately, after I did the exterior, some stuff came up that I had to take care of, just part of running a business. So we've now bought in the Tesla. Time to tackle that interior. So I've got some interior products with me. We're gonna be doing interior detailer. What does that mean? Using interior detailer, leather cleaner, leather protectant. I got my new interior scrub pad, got the leather brush, interior brush, and some microfibers. So it's just a case of hoovering up the carpets, going over all the surfaces, tackling that leather, get that looking white again because it's basically looking black. But easy stuff. A couple of hours and we're going to be done. Let's go.
So I'm a huge fan of using my air compressor on carpets. It blows out all the dust, the hair, the fibers, loosens everything up, perfect for vacuuming afterwards. So I was trying to be classy and I tried to use my leather brush to create some stripes on the carpet, but the fibers were too strong, so I upgraded to the Tyre Brush, which is much stiffer, and it allowed me to get some stripes on there. So that's the detail complete. If you want to see all the products I use, of course, they're from the Sam's detailing range. Head into the description and I'll list out everything I used over there.